Good morning, my name is Jaime Urueta. I am 17 years old. I am bachelor student mathematics in the university. This is a video of recipe broccoli steamed quinoa and vegetables. The ingredients of the recipe are 1 stalk of broccoli, 1/2 baked onion, 2 cloves of garlic, mushroom or any vegetable of choice, cherry tomatoes, 1/2 cup cooked chips, 1/2 cup quinoa or rice, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1/2 teaspoon ginger, salt and pepper. Steps. Step 1. First grate the broccoli and finely chop the onions. Tinted the pan, white teas all the eggs, the chop the vegetables. Step 2. And cumin, ginger and paprika. Add salt and finally chop garlic. Step 3. Mix these ingredients and let them cook for 2 minutes. Steps. Step 4. Eat previously cooked and quinoa, rice and quinoa, and let cook for 5 more minutes. Is a final step. Step 5. New to dish can be served. You can add this piece of cherry tomatoes. This is today's recipe. I hope you like and share it with your friends. Thank you for your time.